A goat just stole my breakfast. The only road on the island ends in a church with no doors. And last night, I saw more stars than people. Welcome to Iraklia, where time forgot to tick, tourists forget to leave, and Google Maps politely says, "You're on your own." But stay tuned, because what this sleepy speck in the Aegean lacks in size, it makes up for in raw, unplugged Greek magic. And yes, there is a pirate cave with ancient secrets. Iraklia, or Iraklia if you're trying to impress locals, is the ultimate antidote to Santorini-induced burnout. Located in the Lesser Cyclades, just a short ferry hop south of Naxos, this island is so small you can walk across it before your frappe melts. Population? Around 150. Nightclubs? 0. Peace and quiet? Weaponized. It's part of the Small Cyclades family, along with Kufanesia, Shinusa, and Donusa. But Iraklia is the quiet, reclusive sibling who reads poetry to sea turtles and never posts on Instagram. There is no airport, no cruise port, and that's exactly the point. Your best bet? Ferry from Naxos, 1 hour. Ferry from Athens, Piraeus. About 8 hours on the slow but steady Blue Star Patmos. Pro tip: if Poseidon's in a mood, the sea gets spicy. Bring Dramamine or suffer existential dread mid-voyage. The port of Agios Georgios is basically a postcard. A sleepy cluster of whitewashed houses, one grocery store, a bakery, a taverna where the owner is also the fisherman, and a cat that seems to run the place. No luxury resorts, no infinity pools. Just family-run guest houses that feel like you've accidentally married into someone's extended Greek family. Top picks: Spear Suites. Elegant, low-key rooms with sea views and actual breakfast, if the goat doesn't steal it first. Villa Meltemi. Simple, quiet, and a short walk to everything, because everything is a short walk. Most accommodations are within 10 minutes of the port. No car rental required, unless you're an emotional support quad bike kind of person. Let's be honest, this is an island where doing nothing is a full-time activity. But if you're one of those people who can't sit still, here's your to-do list. 1. Hike to the cave of Agios Ioannis. This isn't just any cave. It's the largest cave in the Cyclades, filled with stalactites, bats, and mythological energy. You'll need good shoes, a flashlight, a mild disregard for safety, possibly a goat guide. 2. Summit Mount Papas, 419 meters. No, it's not Everest, but the view from the top is mind-melting. You'll see Naxos, Ios, Amorgos, and the entire Small Cyclades laid out like a cycladic charcuterie board. 3. Beach hop by foot or fin. There are no organized beaches on Iraklia. No loungers, no umbrellas. Just you, your towel, and the humbling realization that nature did it better. Top beaches. Livadi, the main beach near the port. Soft sand, shallow water, perfect for lazy floating. Tor Capogado, tiny, rocky, hidden. Usually empty except for a rogue donkey. Alimia Bay has a sunken World War II seaplane under the water. Yes, really. And if you're thinking, that sounds cool, show me. Don't worry, we'll link the map with exact coordinates in the description. Because Google Maps? Again, deeply confused out here. Iraklia has approximately 6 tavernas. All of them serve things that taste like the gods got bored and invented octopus recipes. Best eats. Maestrali, right at the port. Legendary revathada, chickpea stew, and grilled fish that still smells like the sea breeze. Surma, try the goat. Yes, that goat. Karma is delicious. Akathi, locals rave about the fava and lemony octopus. There are no Starbucks, no smoothie bowls, but you will find wild thyme honey, homemade racamello, and old men debating philosophy at 8 a.m. while chain-smoking and sipping ouzo. Panigiri alert. If you happen to visit during the feast of Agios Ioannis, August 28th, brace yourself. The entire island shows up in someone's backyard, eats lamb, drinks wine from barrels, and dances zebekiko until 4 a.m. You will be dragged into the circle. Goat logistics. There are more goats than humans. They will judge you. They will block your hiking trail. Some have Instagram pages. You've been warned. Wi-Fi and cell signal. Spotty, glorious. Prepare to detox. You came here to disappear, not upload TikToks of your breakfast. How long should you stay? 1 night? You'll regret leaving. 2 nights? You'll start to feel your nervous system reset. 3+ nights? You'll be Googling real estate and asking how to become a goat shepherd. This is not an island for checklists. It's an island for naps, saltwater hair, and slowly forgetting what day it is. Why Iraklia might break your brain, in a good way. Here's the twist. Iraklia isn't just a hidden gem. It's a mirror. It reflects back exactly what you bring. If you show up stressed and frantic, it hands you a hammock and dares you to chill. If you arrive seeking escape, it hides your phone and hands you a plate of grilled sardines. And just when you think, there's nothing left to do here, that's when it hits you. Maybe that's the whole point. So, if you're craving an off-grid Greek island with no crowds, no cruise ships, and no pretension, Iraklia is calling. Or more accurately, whispering. Now go, swim in silence. Eat the goat. Hike into myth. Just don't tell too many people about Iraklia. Let's keep this one quiet, yeah? If Iraklia's slow, Secret Rhythm has you hooked. Wait until you see the Big Lemnos travel guide. Lemnos is bigger, bolder, and bursting with hidden coves, volcanic landscapes, and local traditions that haven't gone anywhere in centuries. Links up here and in the description. Don't miss it.